Hello, all. I am Sonal, and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. As you all know, the series is all about the prominent achievers who has made India proud in some way or the other. So, the main focus of the series is to let you all know about the experiences and achievements of our guest. So, today we have Dr. Priyanka Maurya with us. But before we start the conversation, let's have a look at a very small video telling you about what we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hello, Dr. Priyanka. How are you?
Hi Sonal, I'm good.
I'm also good, ma'am. So, as I know that you are a social worker also.
Yes,
Okay. So, first of all, I want to thank you and all the doctors out there who are doing tremendous efforts, who are putting their so much efforts to prevent this deadly coronavirus. So, I really, really admire you all. So, thank you so much.
thank you. Thanks for the appreciation.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. So, let's start with the first question, and that is tell me something about you and your professional role.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Priyanka Maurya, homeopathic physician and consultant, running my clinic in Lucknow for last few years. I also share awareness posts on social network related to fitness, health, fooding, lifestyle, management, home remedies, homeopathic treatment for different and social issues topic to create best version of ourselves. My role model is my father, Dr. R.B. Maurya. He gave me right vision, shown me the right path. My better half, Abhishek, he is my backbone, supported me to fulfill all my dreams. Apart from my professional life, I also do social work with Help India Rising Foundation and Indian Roti Bank. I'm brand ambassador of Help India Rising Foundation and national coordinator of Indian Roti Bank. With the goal of both the foundation is to end hunger from India.
Wow, that's lovely, ma'am. Hunger goal is something that we should all think about. So let's move to the another question, and that is, so how did the idea came in your mind of choosing this particular medical profession? Because many of the students think that this medical profession is so tough and you have to be a bookworm. So tell me about your opinions in this particular thing.
Okay. Compassion towards humanity, strong beliefs in system, desire to bring positive change. Also, my family background is from medical only. एक सोच है कि होम्योपैथी धीरे काम करती है. This is not true because it depends on case whether it is acute or chronic. It's not just about wearing white coat. It is a big responsibility of saving life. मैं डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकती वो खुशी जब पेशेंट कहते हैं मुझे बहुत आराम है. This is the another level of satisfaction. I feel I won another award of my life of serving humanity.
वेरी वेल सेड मैम. जब कोई पेशेंट इतनी बात बोलता है कि यू आर लाइक अ, और डॉक्टर्स को तो वैसे भी एक तरह से भगवान का दर्जा दिया जाता है. So this is really, really, kind work you are doing, full of humanity. Like people say, we see humans but not humanity. But after meeting you, I am finally seeing humanity. So our next question is that what is your mountaintop or future goals that you want to own?
Well, talking about future planning, exploring more into research program with responsibility of giving my best, diagnosing in curing illness with miraculous homeopathy, running free medical consultation camps, blood donation camp for needy one across the state with help of Help India Rising Foundation and Indian Roti Bank.
Well, that's great, ma'am, and I wish you all the best for all your future plans. So, let's move forward to our next question, and that is tell me something about your social contribution as you are a social worker. So, it will be really nice if you could share some of your social contribution with us.
Okay. As I said earlier, that I am working with two NGOs. We provide free medical consultation for needy people as well as food for the poor one. Our aim is to add more and more people who can contribute in our vision to end hunger and illness from country.
Wow, well, that's a really great initiative, ma'am, and I hope more and more people will support you in this. So, before concluding this lovely session with you, please tell me something or give us a message to all the entrepreneurs who really wish to, continue this profession, this particular doctor profession, or who wishes to become an entrepreneur.
Today, youth has unique chance to design a new world that can be better than the one we live in. Because life shrinks, expand according to our courage. एक और बात मैं कहना चाहूंगी, जीवन में जब कुछ बड़ा मिल जाए तो छोटों को कभी मत भूलना, क्योंकि जहां सुई का काम होता है वहां तलवार काम नहीं करती.
बहुत ही अच्छी बात, बहुत ही एक प्यारा सा मैसेज दिया है डॉक्टर प्रियंका ने. सो मैम, आई रियली विश दैट कि लॉट एंड लॉट पीपल विल कंटिन्यू टू एडमायर यू लाइक दिस. And thank you so much for connecting us. And you are truly an achiever, well deserved for this award.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Dr. Priyanka. Thank you for connecting with us.
Sonal, thanks a lot. Bye. Take
My
care.
pleasure. My pleasure, ma'am. Okay.